Friday. We are headed to go pick Hayden up from school. It's probably gonna be a really chill day because Clarence is working. It's Thanksgiving weekend, and I'm probably gonna do like cookies with the kids tonight and kind of relax because tomorrow may be a little busier. I know me and Kaden have a hair appointment tomorrow, and I have like last minute shopping to do, and I need to fit in a nail appointment at some point. If I don't do it this weekend, then I'm really gonna have to do it the day before Thanksgiving, which sucks, but 'tis life. But yeah, we're just headed to go pick Kaden up really quick from school, and then I don't know, I'll see what else we get into. I shared with you guys the decor. We did go ahead and put the Christmas tree up and all of the decor that's in the living room. That's the only place I'm decorating. I am gonna get a wreath for the front door. That's about it. And and a mat and a wreath. I do think that would be necessary for like the outside, and I may get a couple of like Christmas mats for inside, but that's it. But yeah, so we are headed out. Sorry the angle is bad, y'all. I try to get it as stable as I possibly can, but let me close the garage too. All the way down. I'll do it now. Yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, y'all, so we are back from the grocery store. Didn't get too terribly much, just a couple of things. We're basically about to have salad for lunch, and I'm gonna put some let me show them to you guys in 1 second. So Kaden and I like these Chung's vegetable spring rolls, and so I'm gonna put these in the air fryer for us and make a salad. We didn't have any tomatoes, so I picked up some grape tomatoes. Kaden wanted ranch. We already had Italian dressing, so I picked this up for him. Cheese, we needed some shredded cheese. It was buy one, get one free, so I picked up a Colby Jack and a triple cheddar. The kids are playing, so that's the screaming. I needed coffee creamer. It was buy one, get one free, so I picked up a pumpkin spice, the oat milk kind, and a French vanilla. This is the oat milk kind as well. I think it's oat. It may be almond. Either way, it's plant-based. And then we needed more juice for the kids. I only give them 100% juice, and I dilute it with water. Juicy juice was buy one, get one free, so I picked up 2. That's all I needed going into the store. Oh, and I picked up Cam a little pizza, and he's going to have that for lunch. So we're just having a little after-school snack. Later on, like I said, we'll probably make cookies or brownies or cupcakes or something festive with the kids and hot chocolate. So we will see y'all then.
Let's get into it. Good, good, good. Let's get into it. 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 Let's get in. 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 Let's get into it. Let's get in.
Good morning, you guys. So, I'm finally in the bed. I don't feel like being bothered. It's Saturday, and I'm lounging. Kaden and they just finished eating breakfast. Clarence is at work. I have a hair appointment at 2, and it is just now noon. Is it just not? My watch is over there. It's noon. And so, yeah, we're probably just gonna shoot the breeze for the next 2 hours. Fran is literally 6 minutes from my house. Sometimes 4, the way I drive. So with that being said, we're not in a rush. We're not hungry. We're just kicking it. There's literally nothing for me to do. I don't know why my voice has been so groggy lately, but I think it's the weather. But yeah, I just finished doing my skincare routine, and I'm lounging around in the bed. Cam is downstairs. It's nothing to be done. So once we get out and actually start doing things, I'll come back. So really quick, we just got home from getting our hair done and we stopped at Chick-fil-A, had some lunch, and then I stopped and picked up a couple of wines for the holiday. So y'all know Thanksgiving is coming up and libations need to be on deck. I'm a wine drinker. I'm not a heavy like alcohol drinker. It takes a lot for me to have like a little mixed drink, a shot. Like it just takes me back to my 20s and I don't like it. I don't like it. I like to be calm and mellow and like, yeah, I'm not a big like alcohol drinker, so to speak, but I love a good wine. I specifically like a good red wine, but I picked up 2 whites and 2 reds. We've got a 2019 vintage Moscato. This one's really good. It's more on the like bolder side, so it's not like super sweet like typical Moscatos. I picked up a Chardonnay. This one's Scott Family Estate. Super, super good. It's a Chardonnay and it's very rich and buttery. You can find that one in Total Wine. Then I picked up this really good vintage 2017 Cabernet Sauvignon. I love a good cab. Like I said, I'm a red wine girl. And this one's by Montpellier, if I'm not mistaken. And then I just picked up this. It's a cab as well, but it's like a mixture of cabs. It's in Spanish, girl. Y'all already know. I don't do that. I don't know. Get somebody else. Okay. But yeah. Picked up some good holiday wines. I'm about to share with you guys what came in throughout the week. See y'all upstairs. All right, you guys. So we are back home and I just wanted to share with you guys the 2 packages that came in this week. If you are not already, make sure you're following me on Instagram because that's where I share all of the deals that I find. But last week I did feature to you guys that Necessaire was giving away a free body lotion with any purchase that you made. Luckily for me, it was time for me to re-up on those body bars that I like so much. So they had a duo set. It's like a holiday duo set. Instead of the normal $15 a piece, you were getting 2 of them for I think it was $20. I did use Keiko Beauty's 10% off code as well. So I think I ended up with taxes and shipping and everything paying like $24 and some change and getting a free body lotion as well. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. If you hear any noise, that is Cameron. But yeah, these are the 2 items. I just got 2 of the body bars. I went with the fragrance free version this time. Before I was getting the charcoal ones. I think it'll be equally as good. And then this is the body lotion. So y'all know months back, I told y'all that the body lotion was not for us. But what I've been doing is mixing it with some type of oil. So whether it's my Osea body oil, the Necessaire body oil, what I really, really like with it is the Taraji P. Henson Anything Glows body oil. Oh my God, chef's kiss. Those 2 together is a pair. Like to me, it doesn't pair as well with its own brand of body oil as it does with the Taraji P. Henson. Amazing. But I was happy nonetheless. Full size of it. And that worked out for $25. And I got all of this. I thought that was really good. Also, if you're following me on Instagram, you will know that I featured this moto jacket. So y'all, last week for some reason Nordstrom was doing like an additional 25% off of all of their clearance stuff. I will leave this coat up so you can see it like in its entirety because y'all know my arm cannot sit here and hold it the whole entire time. But this jacket is amazing. So I already have a black and silver moto jacket from the same company as from Blank NYC. That one was $98 as well, and I ended up finding it on Nordstrom Rack about 2 years ago for $17. So I was super excited to find this one, 25% off. It was already on clearance for $39.90. So I think I ended up getting it for like $26 or $29 because I had a gift card that still had like $5 on it or something. And so I applied that to my balance. And all I know is I got it for $26.02 with shipping and taxing and all of that. So love it. I was happy to add it to my collection. It has silver hardware on it. And it's in this beautiful, just like cognac-y, brown. So I thought this was so good to add to my wardrobe. My next and final moto jacket will be a black one with gold hardware. I think at that point when it comes to like outerwear, I will have the proper amount of, you know, moto jackets. But this was a steal. I couldn't let it go. So definitely pick this up. Like I said, if you're not following me on Instagram, girl, what are you doing with your life? Because I be sharing all the deals, okay? Y'all be in my DMs attacking me too, like, beach. Now, you know I just got paid. Listen, sis, I have to share. But yeah, so that's all that came in this week. I am actually probably not tonight. I'm not gonna lie, I'm about to pour myself a glass of wine. But tomorrow I'm probably going to be filming a couple of sit down videos for you guys. I think I'm gonna do my gift guides, and I have a request list that I'm trying to knock out. So I'll do that. But yeah, I don't have anything more for the evening. I hope you guys enjoyed spending a couple of days with us. We are set for the holidays. I think I may have one little last minute store run, but we got wine. I showed you guys that a little earlier. And we're good to go. Everybody got their hair done. I'm going to get my nails done the day before Thanksgiving. That's the only time John could fit me in. And I just couldn't take the kids with me today. I was not about to do it. If you're a mom, you know. If you saw Cam sitting with me, get my hair done. I can't. So I'll have to do that the day before Thanksgiving. But that is all we have, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for coming back and joining us. And if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscription button on your way out. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.